but how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your medium app? So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on your photo down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on push notifications. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to stories picked by your editors here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You come to show notifications. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's meant stories picked by our editors for you. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.